Hi, I'm Jeff Ritter, our product manager here at Meter Group for our Atmos weather station instrumentation. Today we're going to be talking about changing over the relative humidity and atmospheric pressure sensor daughter card in your Atmos 41 Gen 2. This is something that you need to do periodically every 2 to 3 years or as needed. To do that, you're going to need a relative humidity daughter card replacement kit that you can order from Meter. And that's going to include a new sensor, a nitrile glove that's going to be important to use when you're in the field. It's going to include a pair of forceps and a couple other extraneous things. I also have with me a screwdriver, which is going to be necessary for accessing the sensor, and a handy Bluetooth reader so I can verify once we're done that the new card is working. The first thing we need to do is loosen these two screws on the maintenance door. Don't unscrew them all the way or they'll fall to the ground and disappear immediately. Once they're loose, you can pull that door off and set it aside. You'll see that the sensor is here located at the top of this panel. All we need to do is use our forceps to pull this out. You'll find that there is a slot that you can insert the tip of the forceps and apply gentle pressure to pull it straight back and out. You'll want the nitrile glove so you can handle this sensor without fear of poisoning the relative humidity sensor on board. Once we have that out, all we need to do is grab our new sensor, which came in our replacement kit, and put it in the same place. Make sure you handle the new daughter card with your hand with the nitrile glove on, and insert it in the same orientation as you remove the old daughter card. It shouldn't be possible to put it in the incorrect orientation, but just be sure that you're paying attention to that when you put it on. Then you just have to put the maintenance door back on, and here we have included 2 additional screws in your replacement kit, just in case these were lost in the first step. Once the maintenance door is back on, I like to check that my daughter card is reporting data that's within a reasonable range. So here you can see I'm checking on my phone. The relative humidity and the atmospheric pressure are both where I would expect them to be. So this unit's good to go, and I shouldn't need to worry about the daughter card for another 2 to 3 years.